What if I told you that in just 5 days, without eating a single bite, you could reset your body, clean out years of toxins, burn fat like never before, and feel more alive than ever? This isn't starvation, it's transformation. Welcome to the science of fasting, your body's ultimate reset button. The power of fasting: when you give your body a complete break from food, something extraordinary happens within. Instead of spending energy on constant digestion, your system finally shifts its focus toward deep healing. This process, often called autophagy, allows your cells to repair, recycle, and regenerate. By practicing a 5-day fast, you're not starving your body but empowering it to clear out toxins, dead cells, and harmful residues that have been accumulating for years. Imagine pressing a reset button that flushes away the junk and activates your body's natural repair system. The first day may challenge your willpower, but as your body enters this fasting state, hunger slowly diminishes and clarity begins to rise. This is not about deprivation. It's about renewal, discipline, and reconnecting with the natural design of your body. Fasting becomes a tool to upgrade your health on a cellular level. Energy from within. During a zero-food fast, your body is not left powerless. Instead, it taps into its hidden reserves. The liver begins to release stored glycogen, and soon after, the body shifts into fat-burning mode, producing ketones, an alternative fuel that powers your brain and muscles. This natural adaptation means you are never truly without energy. You're simply switching fuel sources. The remarkable benefit is mental sharpness, increased focus, and calmness. Many people report feeling lighter, more energized, and surprisingly active even without food intake. Your digestive system rests completely, while your inner engine runs on clean, stored energy. It's like running your car on premium fuel instead of dirty gasoline. By day 3, your body is no longer begging for food. It's thriving on its reserves. This is the hidden secret of fasting. Instead of breaking you down, it builds a stronger, sharper, and cleaner version of yourself. Detoxification and healing. A 5-day fast is a deep cleanse unlike any detox drink or supplement. When no food enters the system, your organs, especially the liver, kidneys, and gut, get a chance to sweep away harmful substances. Heavy metals, environmental toxins, and residues from processed foods finally get released. Your blood becomes cleaner, inflammation drops, and even skin begins to glow as impurities leave the body. Beyond physical detox, fasting also strengthens the immune system. Old and damaged immune cells are recycled, making way for stronger ones. This is why fasting has been linked to lower risks of chronic disease, from diabetes to cancer. Think of it as a natural medical reset that modern science is only beginning to fully understand. By abstaining from food, you're giving your body the time and space it desperately needs to repair itself on every level, from cellular health to overall vitality. Mind and spirit connection. Fasting is not only about physical healing. It also strengthens the mind and spirit. When you remove food, distractions fade and discipline rises. Mental clarity sharpens, emotions stabilize, and spiritual awareness expands. Many ancient traditions, from Buddhism to Islam, have used fasting as a tool to unlock higher consciousness and deeper self-control. In just 5 days, you will discover a sense of inner power you never knew existed. The constant cravings and habits of modern life lose their grip, giving you freedom from the chains of unnecessary consumption. Your body feels lighter, but so does your mind. Silence, reflection, and mindfulness become easier when digestion is not weighing you down. This mental reset is just as important as the physical one. A 5-day fast becomes a journey of self-discovery, showing you that true strength comes not from indulgence, but from discipline and mastery over your own desires. Rebirth and renewal. When the 5-day fast is complete, your body feels as though it has been reborn. Your cells are refreshed, your mind is clearer, and your spirit is stronger. Breaking the fast gently with clean, natural foods feels like introducing your body to a new life. Every bite is absorbed more efficiently, and your digestive system functions at its peak. You'll notice weight loss, glowing skin, and a newfound energy that lasts beyond the fasting period. More importantly, you gain a deeper respect for food, health, and life itself. A short sacrifice of 5 days delivers benefits that modern medicine often struggles to provide. You are no longer a slave to constant eating. You've discovered your body's incredible power to heal without external help. This reset is not just about 5 days without food. It's about awakening your full potential, proving that your body is a masterpiece capable of extraordinary transformation.